So the question is, find the LCM and SCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into SCF is equal to product of the two numbers. Okay, so first question is 26 and 91, means first I have to find prime factorization of 26 and 91. Prime factorization of 26 is very easy because it is 2 into 13. 13 and 2 both are prime. And 91 is 7 into 13. 13 into 7 is 91. Both are prime. So this is prime factorization of 26 and 91. Now we have to write its LCM and SCF. So LCM and SCF by prime factorization, we know that by prime factorization method, LCM is equal to product of highest power of prime factors involved in the numbers. Means first we have to find prime factorization, that is done. Then we have to find the highest power of every prime factor that is involved, and that product is actually LCM. So 2 is involved and highest power of 2 is 1 only. Then 7 is involved, highest power is 1. 13 is involved and highest power is 1. So 13 into 7 is 91, 91 into 2 is 182, means 182 is LCM of 26 and 91. Now to find SCF, we know that it is product of smallest power of common prime factors. Common prime factors involved in the numbers. So now we have to find common prime factors. So common prime factor in these prime factorization is 13 only, and its smallest power is 1. So SCF is 30. So this is LCM and SCF of 26 and 91. Now we have to verify this. For two numbers, LCM into SCF is product of the numbers we know. We have to verify this for these numbers. So let me make some space. Now LCM into SCF. LCM into SCF is equal to 182 into 13 into 2 is 26, carry 2, 13 into 8 is 104, plus 2 106, carry 10, 13 ones are 13 or 10, 23. So product of LCM and SCF is 2366. Now product of numbers is equal to 91 into 26. So 26, 1 times 6, carry 2. 26 into 9, 26 into 10 is 260. If we subtract 26 from 260, it will be 234, and 2 was carry, so it is 236. So again we are getting 2366. So hence it is verified that LCM into SCF is 2366 and product of numbers is also 2366. Now coming to second part, taking the numbers, second part is 510 and 912, 510 and 92. So prime factorization of 510 Since there is 0 unit place, means we can simply write it 51 into 10. 51 is 3 into 17. 17 and 3 both are prime, and 10 is 2 into 5. So all the numbers are prime now. So we can write 510 as 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. Now for 92. 92 is divisible by 2 initially. So if we divide 92 by 2, it is 46. Again divisible by 2, that is 23, and 23 is prime. So prime factoration of 92 is 2 to the power 2 into 23. Now since we have prime factorization and we know that LCM is product of highest power of prime factors, so LCM is equal to 2 square, highest power of 2 is 2, 3, just 3 is there, 5, 17 and 23. This whole multiplication will be the LCM of these two numbers. So we have to multiply it, and we'll use rough space. 2 square is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, 12 into 5 is 60. So it is now 60 into 17 into 23, and 17 into 6 is 102. So 60 into 70 is 1020. Now we have to multiply 1020 and 23. So 23 0 is this, 23 2 times 46, carry 4, so 4 is there, 23 into 1 is 23 only. So LCM of these two numbers is 23460. This is LCM. Now for SCF, SCF is equal to, SCF is product of smallest powers of common prime factors. So smallest powers of common prime factor is just 2, and lowest power, smallest power is 1. So SCF is simply 2. Now what we have to verify? LCM into SCF. So LCM into SCF is equal to 23460 into 2. So 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into 6 12, carry 1, 2 into 4 8, 8 and 1 9, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 2 4. So it is 46,920. Now product of numbers, product of numbers is equal to 510 into 92. So I have to multiply 92 and 51 basically. 0 will be there. So 92 into 510, 10 will be there. 51 into 2 is 102. So 2 is there, carry is 10. Now 51 into 9, 51 into 10 is 510 only. So subtract 51 from 510. So it will be 459, and 10 is there. So it will be 469. So product is 46920. Hence it is verified. We can see LCM into SCF is 46920. Product of numbers is also 46920. So this is for second part of the question. Now moving to third part, and third number is, in third part numbers are 336 and 54. 336 and 54. So first we have to find prime factorization of 336 and 54. 54 is simple, it is 2 into 27, and 27 is cube of 3. So prime factorization of 54 is 2 into 3 cube. Now 336, as we can see, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 6 12, it is divisible by 3, also it is divisible by 4. So we can write 336, first time dividing it by 4, So 4, 8 times 32, remainder 1, 16, 4 4 is 16. So 84 into 4 we can write. Further we can write it is again divisible by 4. So it is 21 into 4 into 4. So 2 square 2 square. So overall it is 2 to the power 4 and 21 is 3 into 7. So this is prime factorization of 336. I hope you are also able to find prime factorization of every number. Now to write LCM. So what is the concept for LCM? Product of highest power of prime numbers, prime factors involved in the numbers. So highest power of 2 in it is 2 to the power 4. Highest power of 3 is 3 cube and 7 to the power 1. So this product will be LCM. So 2 to the power 4 is 16. So what we have to multiply 16 into 3 cube is 27 into 7. So if we multiply 27 into 7 first, 7 7s are 49 and carry is 4, 7 to the 14, 14 plus 4, 18. So 27 into 7 is 189 into 16. Now 16 into 9 is 144, carry 40, 16 into 8 is 128, 128 plus 14, 142, carry again 14, 16 ones are 16, 16 plus 14, this is 30. So LCM is 3024. Now to find SCF, what is concept? We have to take smallest power of common prime factor. So common prime factor is 2 and 3 and smallest power of 2 is just 1, so it will be 2 only, and smallest power of 3 is also 1, so 3, 2 into 3 is 6. So means LCM of these two numbers is 3024 and SCF is 6. Now we have to verify this LCM into SCF. So LCM into SCF is equal to 3024 into 6. So it is 6 into 4, 24, 6 into 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, carry 1, 1, 6 into 3, 18. So product of 3024 and 6 is 18144. Now product of numbers. Product of numbers. So product of numbers are 336 and 54. So we have to multiply 336 and 54. So one thing we can do, that 336 into 50 plus 4. We have to multiply 336 with 54. 54 can be written as 50 plus 4. Now multiplication of 336 with 50 is easy. So this is 0, 5 into 6 30, carry 3, 5 into 3 15, 3 18, carry 1, 5 into 3 15 plus 1 16, plus now 336 into 4. So 4 into 6 24, carry 2, 4 into 3 12 to 14, carry 1, 4 into 3 12 plus 1 13. Now add this. So 4 plus 0 4, 4 plus 0 again 4, 3 8 11, carry 1, 7 plus 1 8, and this one as it is. So it is again 18144. So we can say LCM into SCF is same as product of numbers, hence it is verified. So this is all about this question.